Imagine you have a big CSV with a lot of translation to do and here destination languages in other columns. How do you do that at scale? So in AI Glot, you can first of all store your company glossary so it's being respected when the AI translates your content. So for each language pair, you can have source terms and the translated terms, and the AI will be smart enough to adapt and really make that smooth. So once we're done with our glossary, here we added the term, we can just go ahead and hit new translation, and that's where we drop our CSV. And from there, we choose one of the 4 translation modes. So either single column, you have all the content in one column and have a destination column for the results. Selected columns would be the same, but we replace the content of multiple columns from one language to another. Multi-language is what we have right here, one column with the contents and one column per language to translate. Full CSV is literally the full CSV, including the headers. We go ahead and hit analyze, and what happens is that an AI will analyze your CSV and the different columns to suggest a setup. Here, the English string is the source column, English is the destination, and you can also manually review the different columns that seem relevant to translate to, for example, change the language or remove some of the columns. Once we're good to go, we can also add custom guidelines here, some context about the translation, so it is aware of this and improve the translation quality. We then launch the translation, and after a couple seconds, we'll receive our enriched CSV with all the translation being made. So in our case, the columns that were empty will actually receive the translation in the target language. So if we go ahead here and download the translation, we see that we have this CSV that is fully ready to, for example, be imported back into our translation software, or if we're translating video games or CMS for a marketing website or things like that. It is all ready to go. So that's how easy it is to translate CSVs at scale with AI Glot.